was born by the river in a little tent. Oh, and just like the river, I've been running ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know change gonna come. Oh, yes, it will. So I go to my brother and I said, brother, help me please. But somehow he winds up knocking me back down on my knees. Oh, there were times I thought, woo, I wouldn't last for long. Now I think I'm able to carry on.